All right, next rig, the hooked on Reelin Venom. Now, these are hand painted, hand drilled, hand tied with the sinker got rattles. Now guys, I'm holding everything. Hit it. Now we can attract the fish. Quick clip. And we're tied on, guys. It don't get any faster or better than that. There we go. We're ready to roll. Oh, purple rod, purple rod, purple rod. Oh. Oh, that feels like a pompano there. That's it, baby. It's a pompano. All right, guys. There you got it. First pompano of the day, about 12 inches.